Hey, what up YouTube? It is me, Nikki, on the YT. I am coming at you with a mukbang. I know today is not Friday, but I was craving this. So if you're not already a member of my YouTube family, please hit that subscribe button and also hit that post notification bell so you can be updated on all my new posts. Now let's get started. We got some boneless buffalo chicken, some seasoned fries here, some nacho cheese and some Alfredo sauce, and we have some Coke here, and I have my fancy schmancy glass. And if I keep on looking over here, I'm just making sure I am not blurred out. And I am sweating, and I know my babe is sweating, and he is starving, ain't you, babe? So I'm gonna pour some soda here. And I didn't even bring a fork, but that's okay. We'll just eat with my hands. So I got some cheese over here. Alfredo sauce. My Coke is still going crazy down here. I have a lot of ice because I like my drinks icy cold, and then I love to chomp on the ice afterwards. Sorry if I keep on looking over here. I'm just making sure I'm in the shot. Let's get some of this buffalo chicken. Ooh. I feel like I'm way far away from my food. There you guys go. That's better. My oldest is homesick today with a sore throat. He claims. It's good with the cheese, babe.
Yeah.
God, that was a stupid move. Of course, it's hot. Just making sure we're off. These are Checkers fries from the freezer department, and they are good. So if you guys have a Checkers, you guys are lucky. There you guys go. That's good right there. It ain't about me, guys. It's about the food. Oh, so good. Excuse me. I be burping in this. Let's get the Alfredo sauce. Something to love. Alfredo sauce is good on it too. Ooh, pan is hot. Some wipes here. Get it cold. This glass was on sale for $2.50 at Walmart. Isn't it so pretty? So pretty. Let's try some Alfredo. Ooh. Oh, it's hot. Like heat wise. Let's run my mouth. Oh, you guys, I noticed in my other video, my other mukbang, you can hear my teeth squeaking. It's because my teeth ain't aligned, so they squeak when I eat sometimes. It's so good. My mother-in-law calls these Dragon Balls because they're spicy. Do you call them Dragon Balls too, or is it just your mom?
My mother. Just making sure y'all are not blurry. Oh, guys. This is so good, though. When you start dancing, you know it's good. I added, I was like, wow, I got stuff on my shirt already. A little garlic powder to my Alfredo sauce and some salt and pepper. Because it was a little bland for my liking. And this is ragu, but it was bland, so I added some flavor. I hope you guys are having a great, great day today. We're doing good. Having a nice, relaxing day. Babe is in there watching the second Fantastic Beast. I'm watching Captain America.
Oh, well, now he's watching the Captain America. Ew, I lost it. He's drowning in the cheese. Oh my goodness, that's so cheesy. He drowned. Well, anyways, we rented the second Fantastic Beast, you know, on demand before we brought the DVD. And how many times did you watch it already?
Okay.
All together.
3.
So we ordered it last night and we watched it last night. And then he watched it again twice today. He's going to be doing a review on his channel about the movie. Try it. What the heck? Hot, 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 hot. Like heat from the pan. Woo! Stir that up. This is good. Stir this one up too. So it can stay, all of it can stay nice and warm. So you guys, did you watch me and Babe's like burping challenge last night on our live? Oh my god. I failed miserably. That is so hard to do, especially I think with Coke and Pepsi it would be the hardest. But I failed. Excuse me. As you can see, I burp a lot with soda. So if you don't like burping, exit out. Ugh. Oh no!
Gonna drown French fry now. Okay. I'm so used to filming on, like, my phone. I'm still getting used to filming on the camera that has a flip screen, and plus I'm making sure I'm still in the shot. Because with the ring light, sometimes, like when I move and stuff, it takes a while for the camera to focus back on me. The thing I didn't like about my Nikon is when we were filming, it will tell us how many minutes we're in. With this, the Canon T3i, what I'm filming on now, doesn't tell me. But it's okay. We'll eat until I'm full. Whew. Which won't be long because I get full easily. Don't I, babe? I get full so easily. Trying to include babe even though he's over there. You gotta see I'm sweating. And it's not even the ring light. It's cooking and setting up. Before I started doing mukbangs, like watching mukbangs, I was like, why does everyone use a grill pan? Is it just to make it look fancy? But now I know. It's to keep your food warm while you're setting up. Because, girl, my food got cold so quick. So a grill pan is to keep y'all's food warm. Yeah, sorry about that. I thought it was just for the shot. It made it look fancy, but now I know it's to keep the food warm. I don't know, is the camera change angle? I don't know. I hope y'all ain't cricket. I'm already getting full and look how much is left. Am I blurring? Yummy. Look how much I ate. I'm already full. I'm telling you. I'm sorry I can't be a full mukbang channel. I feel like I'm disappointing you guys because I don't eat a lot. Even if I wasn't drinking soda a lot. I'll be full quick. Am I blurring? Stop blurring. Stay in focus. Let me see guys. Can I? Let's fix this. A little bit. Dun, 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 dun. Now my head's cut off. I hate when my head is cut off. Hold on. It's not about me anymore, it's about the food. I am loving this cheese. We're gonna give some Alfredo some love. My mouth is getting tight here. So I'll be probably posting my Q&A video pretty soon. Ooh. Hot. because I haven't got no more questions on it, so I think it's ready to post. Guys, look at that. So good. So good. So good. Excuse me. Ooh, excuse me. I'm gonna have to warm this cheese back up. This one's staying hot. This one's like getting cool. You see it's getting like thick again. Excuse me. Ooh. I'm so used to going this way. That's where my flip screen's at. You know, with a phone, you just go, boop. Like, this over here. Hello. I'm here to fall. It doesn't even look like I ate much, but I think I ate a lot. Spicy. Oh, and these are by Tyson, if I didn't mention. Tyson Buffalo Bites, something like that, in the freezer section. Oh, guys, I'm getting full. Well, Alfredo sauce tastes way better now that I seasoned it up. And is any of you guys out there like an ice chewer? I am an avid ice chewer. I chew ice all the time. Because my body craves it. It's so weird. All the time. And when it's because it's my vitamin deficiency, I just fling cheese. Flying cheese. It's so good. I know, I'm sorry if I'm looking over there. I apologize. Yes, I'm constantly eating ice. All the time. My baby will tell you.
Yeah. All the time.
All the time. Come on. Get creamy again. Get creamy. You guys hear that? The sizzle? Ooh, you can see the cheese right here boiling. Hot. It's good. I love burnt cheese. It tastes so good. I'm so good. warm up my chicken because it's getting cold. Especially the ones that were sitting on other ones that got cold. Oh, I hear Mama crying. Great if I had a fork. Just warming it up back up because it got cold. I'm the only one eating this, so it's okay. My germ. Alright. That sizzle sounds so good. I hate to use metal on this pan because it's non-stick. Alright. Ooh, they're getting nice and crispy. Alright, guys. I think that's nice and warmed up now. Oh yeah, that's better now. It's nice and hot. I mean, they were warm. Some of them were hot. Some of them were warm. I'm getting full. Nice and warm. Some nice ASMR sounds going on over here. I couldn't be an ASMR channel because I love to talk, but there's some good sounds. You know what it is? I got full off the french fries because I ate a lot of the french fries. The french fries are really good. You see, I ate a lot of those french fries. They were piled up. Whew. Guys, sorry about that. My camera died again. It died again. I'm getting full anyways, but I didn't want to just leave you guys hanging. I am going to end the video because I am getting full. Well, these french fries on the end are crispy. I mean, they were all pretty crispy, but these ones have been cooking extra long. So I'm full. I've been chomping down on these fries. Excuse me. one more chicken. Oh, I'm almost out of cheese, guys. Oh no. So good. I think I'm gonna save the rest for Babe or eat this later. Oh. Oh. I am done. I ate a lot. I really did. I am stuffed, guys. Baby girl don't want to take a nap. She's up there fussing. Trying to get some ice. It was so good. Well, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're not already a member of my YouTube family, please hit that subscribe button and also hit that post notification bell so you can be updated on all my new posts. Also, check out the description box down below so you can see all my social media. Let's stay connected and be friends, guys. I'm sorry, I'm so full. I'm trying to talk. Whoa. Excuse me, that helped a little bit. But again, check out the description box down below so you can be my description box down below so you can see all my social media. Let's stay connected and be friends. I love you guys so, so, so much. I will see you guys in the next one. Here comes Babe. Bye.